What can I expect from my municipality? Welcome to the Civics Academy Local Government series. These videos explain how local government functions. In order to be responsible citizens and shape the country we want, we need to know how government functions and how we can engage it. In this video, we explain the powers, functions, and focus areas of municipalities. It sets out what services and service standards we can expect from municipalities and what limits their ability to deliver services. What are the focus areas of municipalities? Section 152 of the Constitution provides for 5 focus areas for municipalities. Municipalities must provide democratic and accountable government for local communities. Democratic means that local government representatives must be elected through regular, free and fair elections. Accountable means that the citizens can expect their elected councillors to justify the actions and decisions they make in the course of their duties and report back to their constituencies on what they are doing. Municipalities must provide services to the communities in a sustainable manner. Sustainable means that municipalities must provide services without interruptions and need to plan and budget for the staff, equipment, and other resources accordingly. Municipalities must promote social and economic development. Social development refers to the interventions that improve the lives of people. Economic development means that the municipality must help create an environment that is attractive for investors and developers by providing reliable and affordable services, by planning strategically and running a user-friendly administration. Municipalities must promote a safe and healthy environment. A safe environment refers to an environment where the life, limb, and property of people are not at risk or exposed to harm. The municipality can promote this, for example, by providing adequate street lights, good roads, and safe access to electricity. A healthy environment refers to an environment where people can access clean water, good sewage, and refuse removal services. It also refers to clean air and the provision of open spaces and parks. Municipalities must encourage the involvement of communities and community organizations in the matters of local government. This means that the municipality must actively foster and promote public participation. What are the basic services and service standards that I can expect from my municipality? According to the Municipal Systems Act, a basic municipal service is one that is necessary to ensure an acceptable and reasonable quality of life. Most service standards are either determined in law or in policy documents. Municipalities must also have service charters that set out the standards that a community can expect. The following are generally accepted municipal service standards, even if the exact standards may differ from municipality to municipality. Water. We can expect access to clean drinking water within a reasonable distance from where we live. People who earn below a certain threshold are entitled to get the first 6,000 litres of water per household per month for free. Sewage removal and disposal. We are entitled to have access to a functioning sewage system to protect people from harmful waterborne diseases. A municipality ought to deal with sewer blockages and sewage overflows urgently, at most within 24 hours. Refuse removal. Refuse in bins or plastic bags should be collected at least once a week. Communal bulk refuse containers or skips should be removed as soon as they are full. Roads and stormwater control. To tar a road is very expensive, and thus gravel roads are acceptable where traffic volumes are low. The municipality should resurface tar roads periodically and repair potholes as soon as possible. stormwater pipes or canals must be cleaned every year.
Electricity. Many deep rural areas and informal settlements don't have a formal electrical supply provided by Eskom. Municipalities in some remote areas, therefore, have to subsidize gas or paraffin.
Minor failures of electricity supply should be repaired within 2 to 3 hours. More serious failures should be repaired within 1 working day, while major disruptions must be repaired within 3 to 4 working days. The municipality must remove illegal electrical connections as they are very dangerous. Housing. Constitutionally, housing is not a municipal function. However, in practice, the municipality acts as an implementing agent for the national and provincial spheres. Municipalities must determine the housing needs of the community and plan accordingly. Firefighting. Municipalities must have a plan to prevent and combat fires, which includes the provision of staff and equipment within their financial means. Ideally, a fire engine should be at a fire scene within 15 to 30 minutes in an urban area. In rural areas, it may take over an hour to arrive.
Parts B of Schedules 4 and 5 of the Constitution state that municipalities are also responsible for a variety of other matters, for example, municipal roads, municipal public transport, street trading, municipal abattoirs, fresh food markets, municipal parks, recreational areas, and local tourism.
Municipalities do not deal with issues listed in Parts A of Schedules 4 and 5, as these fall within the scope of the national or provincial sphere of government. For example, the Defence Force, university education, or ambulance services, and provincial roads. What limits service delivery? In practice, national and provincial government often delegates some of their responsibilities to municipalities. Sometimes, when municipalities do the work on behalf of the national and provincial spheres of government, they do not receive money from those spheres. This is called an unfunded mandate. The result is that municipalities have to use their own income, which forces them to cut back on their own service delivery obligations. Other reasons that limit service delivery are a shortage of income, due to people not paying their municipal accounts, government grants being too little, especially for housing, poor financial management by the municipality itself. There are also numerous other factors that are beyond the control of the municipality.
A lack of suitable municipally owned land for housing and a fast-growing urban population.
Poor cooperation from other spheres of government. Being located in a remote area of South Africa where competent staff don't want to work or live. There are also many practical circumstances that complicate service delivery. For example, challenges to fight and prevent fires in informal settlements are shacks built too closely to one another and from material which burns easily, roads that are too narrow for the fire engine to use, the absence of main water connections and fire hydrants. Summary. In this video, we explained the services and service standards we can expect from our municipality as they are set out in our Constitution.
In reality, municipal service delivery is often limited due to a lack of resources, funds, or other factors often beyond the control of municipalities.
In other cases, some of the services that we want may simply not be functions of local municipalities, but of other spheres of government. Our expectations of what our municipalities can do for us should thus be realistic.